If you're still trying to grow on Instagram by posting content every single day, you're doing exactly what everyone else is doing. And that's why you're stuck. Because the people making money right now, they don't create traffic, they hijack it. In this video, I'll show you how this system works and how you can automate everything, so you don't waste time doing it manually. Here's the truth about Instagram. It's not about content anymore. It's about attention. Every viral post already has millions of views, thousands of comments, and massive engagement. And the top comments? They get insane visibility. That means you don't need to go viral. You just need to position yourself at the top. That's where the traffic is. Instead of creating traffic, you redirect it. You find posts that are already blowing up, and you place your comment right at the top. That one comment can bring hundreds of visits. Now imagine doing that 100 times per day. That's when things scale. Step 1 is targeting. You want fresh posts within the first 60 minutes, because that's when ranking happens. Doing this manually takes too much time. That's why I use software to scan viral posts and manage multiple accounts automatically. You can scan all the articles containing the keywords you want here. I'll scan the keywords bikini and lingeries. Now let's talk about comments. Most people comment useless things, like nice, beautiful, or emojis. That does nothing. You need to trigger curiosity. She's cute, but at your model is better. This creates tension and gets clicks. Now here's the key. You cannot scale this manually. Use automation to comment, like, and reply at scale. To scale safely, you need smart automation, random delays, proper warm-up, and anti-detect systems, and everything you need is already built inside my software. Growth comes from iteration, test, track, and optimize until you find what consistently hits the top. Once you capture attention, you're not just getting views, you're building a system that turns strangers into followers, and followers into paying users. One comment brings traffic, but when you repeat that process at scale, it becomes a system that drives consistent attention every single day. You're no longer chasing growth, you're engineering it, controlling it, and turning it into predictable results. Most people won't take action, but if you're serious, join my Telegram and I'll show you exactly how to run this system.